Welcome friends, this is my new channel and today I will show you 5 laptops that comes with marvelous gaming performance but also perform and show a marvelous in editing and software engineering purpose. The best part of these laptops are these laptops comes under the price point of 55 to 60,000, which is a great range for a competitive gaming performing laptop. There are some minimum requirements for these laptops, like the laptop needs to have a 8 GB RAM, the laptop needs to have a great dedicated graphics card of more than 2 GB memory, and even have to have a full HD display. These are basic requirements. But the main reason for you to buy these laptops are mainly gaming and editing. So we have decided that we will check and look around every single possible laptops that have a CPU and a GPU configuration so that you can get the best of both ends. And my god, you won't believe we have got over 30 laptops that can do these works to their absolute best in this price point. Like I am saying, under 55 to 60,000 you will not get a full high ultra 4K graphics gaming or something like that, but you will get a 1080p medium to low to medium or even medium to high settings. That is way more than a price range of 55 to 60 can give you. So from these 30 laptops, we have chosen the 5 candidates for today's video, which are the best of the best among those laptops. And today these laptops are ranked from 5 to 1, where 5 is the minimum requirement or the baseline for this fantastic laptops range, and where the number 1 is the best, absolute beast in gaming and editing. So you should check out till the last of this video so you can get what is the best laptop you can get in this price point, and I know that you will stay. So let's jump right in the video. So guys, in the number 5 position we have the Lenovo's IdeaPad L340, which comes with the Intel i5 9th generation processor. It have a 8 GB RAM of DDR4 which can be expandable to 16 GB and have a 1 GB hard disk with 4500 RPMs, which is as slow as a desktop hard disk. It comes with a dedicated graphics card of 1050 3 GB variant, which is very fast in modern day gaming titles. Not as fast as a 3080 or something like that, but it can game very good in medium to low settings in normal modern day titles like RDR2 and Ghost of Legends. It have a very quiet and stealth control. It have a quick boost and even have a gaming mode. I don't recommend you to buy this laptop as you can get a better deal in this price segment. And for its special features, it comes with a privacy shutter which can secure you from any hacker and their threats, and it comes in a price point of 52,900 rupees. And in the 4th position we have the HP Pavilion. It comes with a 15-inch Full HD IPS display, and if I talk about the processor, it comes with a Ryzen 5 3550H processor, which is a very good processor in this price segment. It comes with a 8 GB RAM of DDR4 memory, and it's very fast. If you take my recommendation, I will recommend you to buy this laptop as it comes with a 1 TB hard drive with same 500 and 400 AVN, and it comes with a dedicated graphics card of 1654 GB DDR5, which is way faster than the previous one. And if I talk about it, you should buy this laptop, and it can be expandable to 1 TB SSD, which is a way more upgradable platform than the previous one. And it comes at a price segment of 57,800, which is a little bit more than the previous one, but it's worth it. And the next laptop also comes with a Ryzen 5 3500H and comes with a 8 GB DDR4 RAM which can be expandable to 32 GB. And it's a very good laptop, the Asus Nitro Pro. It comes with a SSD of 512 GB, which makes the Windows clickier, like snappy. And it can be easily upgraded to 2 TB hard drive, which I don't recommend as it also have a SSD of 512, and if you need a much storage, you can buy an external hard drive without destroying the speed of that snappiness of the SSD. And absolutely recommend you to buy this Air's Nitro 5 as it's great for you and it have a very good upgradable spot for you which can be upgraded in your future. So guys, what are you waiting for? Let's jump right into the next one, which comes with the Intel i5 9th gen processor, which also have 8 GB RAM, and it also is a variant of the Asus Nitro 5. It comes with the Optane memory of 16 GB. If you don't know what is an Optane memory, it's basically a memory that acts as a bridge between the hard drive and the RAM, which makes the slow hard drive a little bit faster, not like an SSD, but a little bit faster, which have a visible increase in performance. And it comes with a dedicated graphics card of 1654 GB. It is actually a duplicate of the previous Nitro 5, but have a slight increase in performance. And it also comes at a price point of the same range of the previous one, which is 58,000. So basically, you can buy this laptop. It's your choice. So guys, here comes the best laptop you can buy in this segment of 60,000. So guys, let's hear it for the Asus TUF FX 505, which comes with the Ryzen 5 558 processor and have a 8 GB RAM which can be upgraded to 32 GB. It have a GTX 1650 4 GB graphics card and even have a 1 TB hard drive with 256 SSD, which is mind blowing right now because it have two storage units and 256 SSD makes the laptop faster and very snappier in Windows and makes the games run very smoothly. It have a way, and the best part of this laptop that it has a way faster cooler than the other laptops in this machine, which makes this laptop very special and keeps it very silent. And it comes at a price point of 59,000 only. So guys, what are you waiting for? Check the link below. And so guys, these were the top 5 gaming laptops that you should buy. I am telling you, you should buy under this price range. So guys, what you are waiting? Every link of these laptops are given in down below the description. So guys, that was it for the best top 5 laptop that you can buy under 55 to 60,000 range. Guys, I hardly recommend you. If you found this video very useful, then please like this video and you should consider subscribing our channel because we will provide you this kind of useful videos that will make your life more easier than you can expect. So guys, what are you waiting for? Comment down how you like this video and I am telling you again, subscribe.